So today I would like to introduce the visible light communication applications that's developed by Jetcomm technology. As you can see, there are three functions: the indoor positioning, the augmented reality, as well as a interactive game control. In this case, it's a lotto game. And here we actually have a quick look at the 2LAM VLC visible light communication evaluation kit. There are two drivers that actually are used to drive the LED lights with visible light communication signals. They also have iBeacon embedded inside, so it can produce both iBeacon signal as well as VLC signal. In the middle here, you can see that there is the iPad mini that has the demo app that is pre-installed in it, which I'll show you the demo in a minute. But the two light panel that we have here are 18 watt and 1500 lumens each. So for the live demo now, you can see that there are actually three lamps. One of them is the small one in the middle, and then there are two, but the size really doesn't matter because the driver have the ability to be adapted to the different light sizes and also the output power that's actually needed. And what we want to show first is actually the augmented reality function. So these lights are actually embedded with code, which we can actually utilize them for advertisement or certain message communication. So let's first look at when we actually point to the right-hand side light, we got the first token collected. There's a particular company, 招商蛇口, and the center light, which was also collected at the same time, was Hong Kong International Airport. And you can see that the demo app is able to actually capture two VLC code at the same time without any problem. And now if we move to the third one on the right-hand side, this is a local company in Hong Kong called Achieve Tech. And now these token has been collected. In this particular case, we are using them as advertisement. So they actually are linked to the website of the individual companies. So this is 招商蛇口. And now if we look at the second token that we collected is Hong Kong International Airport's website. So you can imagine that each one of the token that you actually collect by getting the signal from one of the LED light or LED light board, it can be used to direct potential customer to their website. Now, of course, you can achieve other functionalities such as check in and check out at a certain location because the light actually have fixed location associated with it and other kind of function. So for instance, if you want to actually have an event with interactive game, and we can try, for instance, using the lotto, you can see that there are two lotto games here. One of them is actually the standard lotto with three numbers, and the other one is a roulette. And if I point my iPad to the left-hand side one, it will receive a signal that enable the lotto numbers. And if I point to the right, it would enable the roulette. So let's give it a try. So you can see that is only actually turning on the lotto. And as I tilt my iPad towards the right-hand side light, we see the roulette is actually turning. Very directional. And right now it's not actually making the lotto turning the numbers. Only the roulette is spinning. And now I go back to the other one, and you can see that this is very directional, and this is kind of sensitivity and directivity is not achievable by using technology such as RF-based iBeacons and other technologies. So it has a very unique capability that only the visible light communications line of sight characteristic can provide. So thank you for watching.